world-renowned painter Picasso was roaming in the market. One lady saw him and she approached and said that, "Sir, I'm a die-hard fan of you. You are a great painter. I like your paintings. You are a god of painting." He said, "Oh, thank you, thanks a lot." And that lady requested Picasso to draw her sketch. He said, "Sure, no problem." And Picasso drew her sketch in 1 minute. That lady was flabbergasted, completely bewitched. She was so happy. She thanked Picasso and was about to leave. Picasso said, "Excuse me, ma'am, my fees?" "Oh, sure, what's your fees?" she said. He said, "Well, it's $1 million. She was taken aback. $1 million for 1 minute? Picasso smiled and said, "No, my dear lady, it's $1 million for 40 years of efforts, hard work, dedication, and devotion." Dear friends, this story tells about the achievements these great people have. These people achieve not by just working for 1 hour a day for a couple of months, but they have invested hours and hours and hours for years and years and years. And then they reach the success. Now it becomes very easy for them to draw, to play, to sing, to dance. We feel like it's very effortless. But that effortless had a lot of efforts, then it has become effortless. Same thing is true with communication skills also. A great communicator in any language has taken efforts, has taken pains, and then he becomes a great communicator. Friends, I want to tell you that don't go for shortcuts. Don't look for quick fixes. It takes time. To build any skill, it takes time. Malcolm Gladwell has said about this. And he tells about 10,000 hour rules. He says that to develop any skill which is worth developing, which is different, which is rare in the world, it takes approximately 10,000 hours of work, of practice, of dedication, of devotion. Only then you achieve. Hope, friends, you will be a Picasso of communication. Thanks for watching this video and goodbye.